Back to today's video. This is USD JPY, yesterday's trade, and we'll be doing a recap about it. So just looking. Those are four, I think, risk to reward ratio of somehow 4.1, 4 point something. Let me take a look at it. Risk to reward ratio of 4.14. Yeah. So we'll be brief as much as possible. Hope you learned something from it today again. So as usual, our strategy is Alchemist, with a little bit of ICT, but mostly Alchemists. Yeah. So as usual, first we start with 4 hour, 10-15 minutes, then 1 hour. That's as usual, right? But also you can still like go from 4 hour, then 1 hour directly, but 4 hour, 15 minutes, then 1 hour, due to we are looking for the confirmation entry, the CE, and the confirmation entry is usually the double block of structure in line chart on minute 15. So let's start it. So 4 hour time frame, as usual. 4 hour we look for what do we call a rejection block, also a liquidity sweep. Yeah. So for, let me clear, hope you've seen it or like you've marked it. So let me clear everything around here. Everything. So you see now. So we start with a liquidity sweep, rejection block, all those. So for this setup, first thing was this liquidity sweep. I know it will be somehow hard to identify this liquidity sweep, because you might ask yourself, why not this one, why not this one? Get that? So what you basically do, if you can't identify that liquidity sweep in which the easiest way, just come take a look at a rejection block, which was this one down here. That was a rejection block. So that was one of your POI. Then with this liquidity sweep over here, just confirmed it, like it's more high probability setup you get. So that was the first thing, and after that So that's it, like liquidity sweep, rejection block, all of those. Then after that, you come to this other rejection block above here. That was our first rejection block, though that was not my entry, because many will be like, why not here? I could have entered on this rejection block and this order block, but the reason is being that the time I found this setup, it was like it had already reached this point of interest. Get that? This candle over here had tapped here, right here. So basically my entry above here was just a re-entry, you get. So after that, this liquidity sweep, yeah, you need to be more clearer on the 1 hour time frame. You can take a look at it. You now see it. It's more clear on it. So also one hour order block, this one right here, like this. Yeah. Right there. But as I had explained, like we got that entry, like it has already moved to somewhere around in here. So yeah. So that was basically a re-entry. So for our time frame, let's go back. The 4 time frame here, it gave us order block and rejection block down there. Then after that we come to the 15-minute time frame. Basically, so the 15-minute time frame is here. Line chart, you get that? So first break of structure was here. The second one was above here. It's not clear if you use the candlesticks, but for that our case we use the line chart. So you see it, just like that. Then we drop to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, which was this order block right above here, this order block here. So that's why I was telling you, like if you use the candlesticks, you know, you couldn't have got, I could have got this setup, because the first reason is being that we will be waiting for it to close above here, right above there, in which for us to get a break of structure, but no, that's why we use the line chart. So after that, our entry was on this 105 lookup, and I mean 1 order block. So that 1 order block, and also it was supported by the fact that it hit the 1 order block down here, right here, the 1 order block and the rejection block. This was the actual entry, then this was a re-entry. So after that, 1 order block, our entry was supposed, it was like this. So I mean, so we enter onto 1 order block right here, right there. Right there. Then our take profit will be somewhere here. So you seeing that, and our take profit was somewhere there because of the 4 candlestick. I was expecting a sell setup from here, from this rejection block, from that rejection block above here, and also because of this liquidity. Yeah. So basically 1 hour, but as you can see, this order block, it's not a normal order block, not like this one. You see the size of it. You see this order block down here, and this one up here, so big. A very big difference. So what we do, we basically come look for a lower time frame to set your stop loss. So I used the 1 hour for the entry right here. Right there till somewhere right there. So like it was like that. Then your stop loss, I used the 30-minute time frame order block, which was basically was basically there, like so that was it, guys. Simple as that. And also the before the move, I posted it on our community, so you can go and check it out. So yeah, today we have no setup up to now, so I don't think if we are gonna trade even today. So maybe our next video will be on Friday, Saturday, and I will be dropping another video like for